students, welcome to the 9th part on the chapter Locomotion and Movement. The human skeletal system, as I have told you earlier, is subdivided into two parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. We have completely discussed about the axial skeleton in our previous lectures. Now I am going to take the appendicular skeleton. Locomotion and movement. Now we are moving on towards the appendicular skeleton. Okay, so appendicular skeleton, it forms the bony framework of limbs and they are supporting girdles and includes 126 bones. So all the bony framework of our limbs, the main part of the skeleton, is coming under appendicular skeleton. It's having upper extremities and lower extremities, upper and lower below the stomach. Pectoral girdle 4, pelvic girdle 2, upper limbs are arms 60 bones and lower limbs that are legs 60 bones. So this is total, this is 6. This is 120, so in total it is 126. Now here is a video explaining the complete structure of the appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton consists of the bones of the shoulders, of upper extremities, hips and lower extremities. Okay, so let's have a look onto this appendicular skeleton. It's having 126 bones, skeleton, shoulders, upper extremities, hips, lower extremities. The bones of the upper extremities or arms are connected to this axial skeleton. The shoulder girdle consists of scapula or shoulder blade and the clavicle or collarbone. And the arm is composed of humerus and or upper arm and radius and ulna of the forearm. The wrist and hand consist of 27 separate bones. Because of this, it has to give us large number of small bones to enable us more movements than any other part of our body. The bones of the lower extremities or leg are connected to the axial skeleton or the other pelvic girdle, which is formed by the hips and hip bones. The two hip bones are there. It protects the bladder, reproductive organs, lower colon and rectum, etc. In the male, the pubic arch of the pelvis is less than 90 degrees, but in females it is greater than 90 degrees because of female has to accommodate childbirth. You can see the largest, heaviest and strongest bone in the body is the femur. Yes, this is the femur. At one end of it is connected to the pelvis and at the other end to the lower leg, which is made up of tibia and shin bone, fibula. Okay, the tibia bears all of our body's weight, fibula bears no weight at all. The patella of knee and calf is a large bone between the femur and tibula. It protects the knee joints and the ankle forms the knee. The bones of the ankle and foot must carry all our body weight as we stand, walk or run. And the 26 bones and 33 joints that make up our ankle and foot enable us to do just that. Well students, this is all about the appendicular skeleton. We have seen that the appendicular skeleton consists of the bones of shoulder, upper extremities, hips and lower extremities. The bones of upper extremities join to the axial skeleton. And we have also seen that how many types of bones are found in appendicular skeleton. We are discussing appendicular skeleton, yes? So the types of bones we have seen through a video, that how many types of bones are found in appendicular skeleton. Hope you have understood this completely and clearly and now you will not forget it in your future. Now we will be moving on to the next part of this lecture on locomotion and movement. So switch on to the next video.